G'day guys, Greg here. Now today, you're not going to believe this, but I've got some leftover KFC. But that never happens! But if it ever does, have I got the recipe for you? Today I'm making a KFC twister using some leftover chicken tenders. These are really simple to make. Let me show you what I'm using. Now yes, I am cheating. I do have some KFC tenders here, which I'll be using. Original recipe. I've got a tortilla roll here, some lettuce and tomato. And for the sauce, you'll need some mayonnaise, some pepper, and a lemon. Pretty simple ingredients. Let's start whipping this bad boy up. Now the twister comes with a pepper mayo. I'd prefer to use a white pepper for this, but I don't have any. So I have to use a black, but that's all right. So we'll squirt some mayonnaise into a bowl there, into which I'll crack some pepper. And I'll just get a little bit of lemon here. I just want just a tiny squeeze of lemon juice just to give it a bit of a zing. We'll mix that together. And next, we just need to dice up some tomato. Pretty easy to do. Although I do know some people that have cut their fingers cutting tomatoes, so be very careful if you're as clumsy as they are. Now, we need some chicken. Now, best way to get this chicken ready is just to microwave it. I just need 2 pieces, and I'll just wrap that in some paper here. And this will just go in the microwave for about 40 seconds, I reckon. That'll get them nice and hot. Now this kitchen has got the smell of KFC in it. Oh, yes. All right, so let's start off with putting some mayo down. Now you want to leave the bottom section empty. You don't put anything there. Put that down there, yummo. And I'll get some tomato. Whack that on. Some lettuce. And now we just need to add the chicken pieces and fold it up. I don't know why it's called a twister. Well, it could be if you twisted it, but I'm just doing it like that. There you have it. Yumma! All right, well, let's give it a go. Oh yeah. KFC, that's good. That actually tastes better than the ones you get at KFC. And if you're making quite a few of them at once, it works out much, much cheaper. Less than half the price. Well, there you go, KFC twister at home. Is it a twister? Is it a wrap? Is it a fajita? Or is it a taco? Doesn't matter what it is, it tastes awesome. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'll throw something together. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the